calculus knowledge.
Fan of calculus. Here's a mathematician named Andrew. He's about to teach you all about the quotient rule. When I divide, first I derive. Low D high, high D low, low low on the bottom side.
Math break.
Hey, if that fire spin in MC was a little too speedy for you, let me slow it down. Here's an example of the quotient rule. If I have these two equations and I'm dividing them and I want to find the derivative, I take the bottom one times the derivative of the top one minus the top one times the derivative of the bottom one, all over the bottom one squared.
That's right, boy. If you derive with me, the power rule is gonna come in handy. Polynomials are no fun.
N times x to the n minus 1!
Math break.
Whoa. Slow down there, hooligan. Let's learn about how to get derivatives in the first place. We're going to start with the power rule, alright? Say we have a function that we're going to take the derivative of, x to the third. First, we're going to multiply it by the exponent, 3x. Then we're going to take the exponent and subtract 1. 3 minus 1, that's 2. That's your derivative for you.
Labadins, Newton, and Chef Brooks C. Fathers of calculus.
The calculus big 3!
Take your notes in class, and don't ever skip, or the principal's office will be your most frequent trip. Functions are lame, and if you have two, you're gonna have to derive with the chain rule. F g of x outside than inside. F prime g of x times g prime we derive. Make sure to do your homework, never late. Otherwise you might end up with a 38!
Math break.
Chain rule, act! Let's simmer out, let's write the chain rule. First, you find the derivative of the outside. So you get 2 times 2x plus 1. And then you multiply that by the derivative of the inside, which is just 2. That's how you do the chain rule.
Chef Brooks taught us about position over time. That's equal to velocity. Hashtag calculus rhyme.
Math break.
Listen here, Calculus Nation. If you want to find your velocity, all you gotta do is take your delta x, which is 8 meters, and divide that by your delta t, which is 2 seconds, to get your velocity, which is 4 meters per second. Wow!
Velocity over time. That's acceleration. Chef Brooks and us.
Run, Calculus Nation!
If a function exists on A to B, take a value x, and you will see between f of A and f of B you can decree f of s exists by the IVT.
Math break.
Shalom again. Let me teach you about the IVT. If we have two facts, f of 1 equals negative 3 and f of 5 equals 7, and we have a continuous and differentiable equation, and we know that f of c is between f of 1 and f of 5, we can prove that at some point f of c will equal 0 by the IVT.
Make sure you take notes, put them in a spiral, save it all year, that'll be your calculus bible. AP stat, AP physics, ain't no rival. Our calculus video
Just went viral!
Get ready, Calculus Nation, we're about to teach you about some integration. Take the antiderivative, then add c. You started with acceleration, you have velocity.
Integration finds the area underneath the curve. Calculus Nation is taking over the suburb. Antiderivatives, pretty cool. To find them, use the anti-power rule.
Math break.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there, Calculus Nation. Let me teach you about some integration. Say we're going to take the integral of a function, x squared. First, we're going to have to do the anti-power rule, because that's equal to the antiderivative of x squared. That derivative is going to be equal to 1/3 x to the third plus c. Make sure to add your c, guys.
So next time you see a dirty equation, don't be afraid.
Good luck, Calculus Nation!